Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Sign into the Google account tied to AdSense and your website. Open AdSense and your site's hosting dashboard side by side so you can act quickly. Once done, verify ownership in Search Console with an HTML tag, file, or DNS record. This proves control and prevents linkage errors. Make sure two-step verification is active and your payment and tax details are accurate, because AdSense will check these during final activation and payout setup. Next, you connect AdSense to the verified site. In AdSense, choose Sites and add your domain precisely. Include www or subdomain when applicable. Then follow the prompt to get the ad code. You'll paste the code into your site header or use a CMS plugin for easy placement. This enables ad serving and verification. While waiting for detection, review site policy compliance, add a visible privacy policy, and remove any restricted content so approval isn't delayed. Finally, you complete verification and enable ads. Watch your AdSense account for status updates. Once approved, place ad units or enable auto ads and set your payment threshold. Verify your address when the PIN arrives in mail and link your bank account for payouts. If something goes wrong, clear common blockers. Check Browser Console for JavaScript errors, ensure the ad code is in the site header, reconfirm Search Console ownership, and then contact AdSense support if detection still fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.